IndiaMart is great for generating leads, but without a proper sales CRM, it is very difficult to track, manage, and organize all these leads data efficiently. But now, you can integrate your IndiaMart account with Refrens Sales CRM, with do all the sales CRM, as less the chance CRM version. To get started, you will first need to generate a CRM key from your IndiaMart account. Let's see how. To generate an IndiaMart CRM key, first visit seller.indiamart.com and log into your account. Next, in your dashboard, go to Lead Manager section. Then, click on the three dots menu and select CRM Integration. Then, click on Generate Key on the CRM Key Generation page. A unique CRM key will be generated and sent to your registered email address. Note that if the CRM key is not used within the last 15 days, it will expire and you will need to generate a new one. Once the key is generated, you will need to connect it with Refrens. Let's see how. Firstly, go to the business settings and click on Lead Management System. In third-party integrations, fetch leads from IndiaMart, click on Connect to IndiaMart. The following form will open up. Just copy and paste your IndiaMart CRM key and select the pipeline where you want to manage the leads from IndiaMart. Once you click on Connect, one of the two things will happen. Either the connection is successful or it fails. Let's see what you can do if the connection fails. If the connection fails, you will see the following message. In this case, recheck the key you entered, see if there are any typos, and then try connecting again. If the connection still fails, see if the key you have added has not been used for the last 15 days after generating the key. If the key has not been used for the last 15 days after its generation, the key may have expired and you will need to generate the key again. You will see the following message. That's it. Now every time a new lead comes into your IndiaMart account, it will also get added to a Refrens sales pipeline. Just go to Lead Management and under Sales Pipeline, click on View Leads to see and manage all these leads seamlessly. Note that Refrens ensures that all your IndiaMart leads appear in your Refrens Sales CRM as quickly as possible. Compared to other CRM systems that take anywhere between 10 minutes to 1 hour to get this leads data, Refrens ensures an almost real-time sync. This will help you follow up with your leads in the quickest and timely manner. That's it for this video.